How to rebuild your credit if it was impacted by divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce doesn't just affect your personal life, it can take a toll on your financial health too, especially your credit. Whether it was missed payments, joint accounts that weren't closed properly, or a drop in household income, it's not uncommon to see your credit score take a hit during or after divorce. But the good news is, rebuilding your credit is absolutely possible, with the right plan and a little patience. The first step is to pull your credit report from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review each report carefully for any joint accounts that are still open, late payments, or incorrect information that may have resulted from the divorce. If you spot any errors, dispute them immediately to prevent further damage. Next, close or separate any remaining joint accounts. If your name is still on an account your ex is using or vice versa, you could still be held responsible if payments are missed. If you can't close the account right away, at least freeze or limit its use until the balance is paid off or refinanced into one person's name. Now it's time to focus on rebuilding. Make sure all your current bills are paid on time. This is one of the most important factors in your credit score. If your score is low or you're having trouble qualifying for credit, consider starting with a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on someone else's account with a strong history. Use the card responsibly and keep your balances low, ideally under 30% of your credit limit. We worked with a client who had multiple missed payments during her divorce and thought she'd never recover. We helped her organize her debts, dispute inaccurate items on her credit report, and create a simple plan for rebuilding. Within a year, her credit score improved by over 100 points, and she was able to qualify for a new apartment and her own auto loan. At Divorce 661, we know that divorce can leave you with more than legal paperwork. It can leave you rebuilding your life from the ground up. That's why we help clients not just through the divorce process, but with the practical steps that come afterward, including repairing credit and regaining financial independence. If your credit took a hit during your divorce and you're ready to take back control, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a plan to rebuild your credit, protect your financial future, and move forward with confidence.